Since I've been I've been tried, I've been tested, got my witness, got the name, black it out, like I'm Bruce Wayne in this bitch. I got money, I got cars, I've been crossing off my wishes, I've been but no one know. Baby, not for catch you up, trying to catch you up. I've been down since you been down, so baby, let's fuck it up. I'm always say love, brand new Bentley truck. I've been down since you been down for 2 years. Baby, not for us. 560 black on black, I got this song. And it's brick by brick by brick by brick, I know you know. And the cold fiends out in LA Hills, you know. And the ice roll back and lights like this, you know. If we let up, drunk, fuck if I can't trust myself. If I played up with you, still spend this time with you. If I fall in too deep, would you come and pull me up? Don't get me wrong, get me wrong. Baby, not for catch you up, trying to catch you up. I've been down since you been down, so baby, let's fuck it up. I'm always say love, brand new Bentley truck. I've been down since you been down for 2 years. Baby, not for what?
Yeah, baby, is you down or what? I pulled up in a land truck spider. I can't call your friends a black truck. I've been holding it down for the town so long that it's just not enough. I've been hoping and praying and patiently waiting on you just to let me fuck. I've been flexing on niggas for what? I ain't checking on niggas for what? If I was to slip and be down on my dick, would you check on a nigga? I'm that man if I flex on my riches, so what? All the op niggas knowing what's up. All these thot bitches gon' let me fuck. I'm outside every day, I don't talk.
Baby, not for catch you up, trying to catch you up. I've been down since you been down, so baby, let's fuck it up. I'm always say love, brand new Bentley truck. I've been down since you been down for 2 years. Baby, not for what?